All right, friends, for this part of our lesson, we're going to practice chaining our letters together just like we did when we were in the classroom. So I'm going to write out some sounds, and it's going to be your job to blend those sounds together to find out what word I'm spelling. The first sound we're going to do has one, 2, 3 sounds in it. The first sound, the next sound, ah, and the last sound, t, which is the letter T. Now let's work together to blend our sound. Hot makes hot. If this is hot, let me see if I can take away this first sound, left with ought, and replace that sound with ought. That word becomes hot. Very good. Now let's say I don't want to take away any sounds this time. I just want to add another sound to pot. If I added another sound to pot, what would this word be? Let's sound it out. Spot. Spot. If you said spot, you were correct. Now let's take all of these away and try a new one. Let me make my eraser bigger. Erase, 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 erase your board till you're ready to learn. All right. The next word that we're going to try has 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say the sound as I write the letter. Let's make sure we know each of the sounds. This first sound is S. Next sound is L. Next sound is that I letter makes the sound I. And the last sound is T. S-L-I-T. If we put all of those letters together, we get the word S-L-I-T. Slit. Good job. From slit, let's see if I take away this last sound and change it to, now we know these letters don't change, so sl-I should be the same. Sli, the only sound that changed is this last one. Instead of t, it should be p. So sl-I, p, slip. If you said slip, you are correct. Now let me ask you, what happens if I just take away this first sound? Then we have l, I, lip. Very good. Let me take away this sound for ul and change it to t. What sounds are we making now? T, tip. If you said tip, you are doing a great job. Oops. Well, how did that P get there? Let's delete it. And keep erasing, right? All right, boys and girls, that is all we have for right now. Follow along to the next slide to see what comes next.